Hello children, today we are going to continue civics chapter 2 federalism. In the last class we had completed up to language policy, so today I'll start with center state relations. Okay, so we know that we had already divided the powers. We have union list, state list, everything. Yes, state has its own power. Okay, union has its own power, but at the same time before 1990s ऐसा कुछ दिखता नहीं था. Okay, uh, that is everything has their own power. Okay, practically one party used to rule, and that party is only because we came from colonial party, and in freedom struggle that party played an important role. Okay, no problem, one party was ruling, but they never could get majority to make the government. So the party which has the power, sometimes what happens, they undermine the state parties. So what happened, that the spirit of federalism becomes undermined. Okay, that is not motivated, and central government was misusing the constitution. In fact, when emergency was also gone, so this all were gone. Okay, now center should has not overused the power. Center should not make state to feel inferior, isn't it? But that changed slowly. What happened, political awareness of the country slowly and gradually, when more political party was coming up, when people starting realizing that they can also be a part of political parties, at that time things changed in India. And after 1990, coalition government concept came. Okay, now what is coalition government? When more than at least two parties, okay, stand in the election together and then they form the government together. Okay, because one party cannot be able to achieve majority, so this concept is called coalition government. Okay, so after 1990s all the government coming in coalition only after 1990s. Okay, in fact the present government is of which coalition government or a party of which government? Yes, that you have to find out. Okay, find out and let me know. Okay, so new culture emerged or developed, that is coalition government, and this culture gave us a lot of strength, a lot of representation, a lot of respect to the regional party. Okay, when I say regional party I mean state party. Okay, so Supreme Court also supported and started, and in this way what happened, the era of coalition government started. Okay, now coalition government is one thing and the level of government is another thing. Okay, I hope clear this much everybody. Now comes decentralization. Okay, in India, so decentralization is another thing. Indian states are very large. See Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Okay, how large the state is. Yes, so Indian states are very large. They had a large population, and at the same time they have a lot of diversity also among themselves. Yes, that is in UP there are a lot of diversities, and it is true for most of the states also, isn't it? Definitely we realize कि state should have its own representation. In fact we want government in local level also. अच्छा बच्चा, if there is a tree, okay, just simple question, if there is a tree and you want the tree to grow, where would you water? Would you water in the leaf or would you water in the root? Yes, I hope everybody know this, root. Yes, exactly. So you would water root. So the same logic is put it into the decentralization also. A power is taken from state and central government and given to the local government, because if roots are strong the trees will be fruitful, isn't it? So when democracy would strengthen from the root, from the local level, the entire country would be wonderfully democratic, isn't it? And using this concept we had given power to local government. Okay, and this power is also recognized by a magical book, that is a constitution. Okay, now what are the reasons for this importance of local level? See, problems are best settled at local level. Now for example, your class has having some issue. Okay, your class 10th, if I am saying that your class issue has been talked about in parliament, तो will there be any result? कोई नतीजा निकलेगा? एक क्लास का प्रॉब्लम है, yes, तो that we have to solve it in the class only, isn't it? उसको हम पार्लियामेंट तक ले जाने के लिए कुछ इश्यूज है वो? No. Okay, so this is the issue of your class, so class will solve this, है ना? In the same way, people have better knowledge of their own problem. That is, if the problem is of Kerala's culture, then they will know better, yes, about it. Okay. And if we talk about the culture of Assam, then the Assamese, that is the people living there, they will know the better idea, yes or no. So this is what given in this point, that people have better knowledge of problems. Okay. Next is better ideas of expenditure. Again, my city, my locality, my people, my resources, then who will know about the expenses? Of course, me only. If everything is mine, I only know now how to expense, yes, where to expense, isn't it? So I am having that idea also. Okay, so to make government in local level, all these points are there. In fact, like I told you, democratic participation, that is water to the roots. So democratic participation enhances and people realizes principles of democracy at the very basic level, and then the tree of democracy becomes what? Hara bhara, isn't it? Okay, so all these ideas Indian government got in 1992. Okay, so what are the steps towards decentralization in 1992? Okay, in 1992 the government truly was decentralized. That is, two amendments were there. Okay, two amendments were there. Yeah, in your NCRT it is not discussed maybe. Okay, so with both the amendment we put local government in villages also and in cities also. Okay, and in this level, that is in this local level, regular elections are held, and at that also free and fair, that elections. Okay, seats are reserved for ST, SC and OBC, and in fact it is the only level of government where for women also seats are reserved. Okay, so big round of applause for that. Yes. And now comes State Election Commission. So we made a separate election commission to see whether the elections are conducted or not. Okay, both at the village level and at the city level also. And then state government are required to share the power and revenue with the local body. Okay, now here little bit problem is there, because state is having little more power, that we will discuss. Yes, and so these are the steps taken to make sure that India is decentralized. Okay, now let us talk about a local self government. Okay, local self government. Now in rural areas it is different, and in urban areas it is different. Okay, so first we take rural areas. So three levels are there in village level. Okay, Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad. I hope these all everything know it. Yes, so rural government, that is rural local government, is popularly known as Panchayati Raj. Okay, village is also known as Gram. So village Panchayat means Gram Panchayat. Okay, that Gram Panchayat is the decision making body for the entire village. Okay, for the entire village, Gram Panchayat will be taking the decision, and members are directly elected by all the adult population. Okay, then the concept of universal adult franchise is also here. Yes, okay, so all the villagers has their, yes, all the village has their own village panchayat. Then for the, what to say, cluster of village, group of village, there is a Gram Sabha, that is some more villages are added to it. Okay, they meet twice or thrice a year and discuss about all the problems. If you will go little upward, then there is a Gram Samiti, and above that Jila Parishad. Okay, so this is a hierarchy of rural Panchayati Raj, and elections of all levels are held differently in village level. As I said, everybody will vote, that is all the members, adult members. Okay, so in Panchayat Samiti, all the members of village panchayats are voting, and in Jila Parishad there are MLAs and other officials also. Okay, now local government bodies in urban area. Now let's talk about cities. Some cities are towns, some cities are big cities, some cities are mega cities, super cities, metro cities, right? So cities are very different, depends on the needs of the city, interest of the city. We have different forms of government. Like in towns there are municipalities, because there the population is less. Municipal corporation, it is a big name, so that is for big cities. Political head of municipality is municipal chairperson. Okay, municipal chairperson. But municipal corporation, that is, it is a big body, big name, big city, and the head is the mayor. Municipal corporation. Okay, so both are constituted by elected bodies only. Okay, now the conclusion is that what is the positive outcome? So after so much hard working, okay, and this complicated structure of government we formed, then somewhat positive outcome should be there. Yes, and that positive outcome is that women representation, bacha, that is women empowerment. Now women of villages are coming out of their houses and take part in panchayat, isn't it? It is great. Yes, but somewhere now also it is not happening. Okay, I hope everybody will agree with this. Okay, clear? Yes, so now what happened, the 36 lakhs elected representatives are there. Okay, and so now you can democratic participation has reached where you can imagine that. Okay, 36 elected representatives. Now 36 lakhs elected representatives are there, so you can imagine it. Now India is the largest experiment democracy because of decentralization, and at the same time constitution status of local government is day by day increasing, because now people know that we have to water the root, not the leaves, है ना. So some difficulties are also there. Okay, somehow dependence is on state government. Okay, then there is a problem that local government has not provided with adequate amount of resources, which is also a problem. Okay, Gram Sabha elections are not held regularly, this is also a problem. So many problems are there. Okay, many things we had solved. Okay, so this is all the chapter about. Hope everybody understood. So bacha, once again you can read the chapters, whatever it is given, I'll give you the notes, and after that now I will send you Monday you are having the weekly test. Yes, so for that I will send you and I had already told, I think, that civics and geography, I think. Yes, civics, geography, you have to prepare it for your weekly test, and history I will take afterwards, in between, anyway, anytime. Okay, so thank you so much. God bless you all, beta.